to grow camouflage when they go across country, getting food from the fruiting trees. Males seem to use the venom of their wings very judiciously to get the female's attention. In contrast, the female's red is a very conspicuous long-distance signal. She shines like a beacon, but screams at other birds, especially females. Keep away, this hollow is occupied, don't bother coming near because I will beat you up.
No other bird in the world mates like this. It's a sex strategy that's been perfected over an incredibly long time in these ancient forests. While the eclectists were doing their thing, elsewhere on the continent, dramatic changes gave rise to a whole new range of parrots. Millions of years ago, most of Australia's rainforests gradually dried and became open woodlands. Many parrots were able to adapt to the new and tougher conditions. To survive on the desert edge, red-tailed black cockatoos stick to the few tree-lined watercourses. As the sun drops, the birds arrive from all directions. With breeding hollows scarce, most of these cockies are single. The local watering hole is their pickup joint, and the evening quickly turns into a boisterous party. Younger birds flirt by displaying the color banding on their tails and raising their crests. These fancy pop-up crests are what distinguish cockatoos from the other parrots. These opportunistic cockies thrived and spread out as the continent dried. During the last ice age, winds lashed the land and heaped sand into vast dunes.
Gizmo! Gizmo!
Grasses and shrubs spread across
Gizmo,
the desert,
can I watch
producing
my
an
program?
abundance of seeds. The galahs were
I want
quick
to
to
watch
take advantage
Gilligan's
of the new
Island.
foods.
Fuck you.
They went just about everywhere, eating almost anything. Today, there's barely a patch of Australia without these extroverted cockies. But the opportunistic galahs were not the only ones to try new foods. The less common Major Mitchell cockatoo